Now, for the fifth real step of solving the cube, we will align the cross. We made the cross earlier, but it isn't aligned. So now we will align it to a point where every edge is matching its center. In this case, this edge is matching its center, but this isn't, neither this. Here again, this is matching, but the other isn't. So we will do right now what is called an algorithm. It's a sequence of moves that do something in the cube. First, you need to rotate the top layer to align most edges as you can. You will always, not always, but the most you can get is 2. Here I get only this. No. This red one. And here 2. If you get 2, put one in the right and one in the back. And do these moves. Right. Top. Right. Top. Right. Top. Twice. And right down. Now it's all aligned. This case, only the white one is solved right now. Now we got 2, yellow and red. Put one in the right, one in the back. Now it's solved. Here, this case I got lucky, already the 4 pieces is made. Now for this last case, only this one is solved. No one is solved. One is solved. 2 are solved. Right back. Now it's solved. If you get something like this, where the edges are like this, just hold it anywhere and do the moves. Now you can solve it in the same way.